Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Nike Coach's jacket. We're going to go over the look, the fit, the sizing, and you know I got to put it on. When it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So I do have my pack right here. I did order this from Nike. I did use the Nike app on this, and yeah, man, let's just go ahead and open it up. I've been looking at these for a while. They've been popping up, the Nike Coach's jacket. They have them in, I believe, red, blue, green, and black as far as like the plain originals. And then they also came out with some colleges. So once I saw the college joints, man, I had to go ahead and grab one. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this joint. So right here we do have the bag. Comes in the same plastic bag that mostly all of the jackets come in. I did get a size medium, which is my true size. Like in Nike shirts, I do wear a medium, so that's just to keep that in mind. And body height, I am 6 feet and 175 pounds. So here we go. Let's look at this joint, man. So I've been looking at this for a while and finally pulled the trigger on this joint, man. So right here we have the Nike Coach's jacket. It looks very clean, man. It has that nice lightweight material that I was hoping, because when I was looking online, it looked like it was kind of a almost like a windrunner style material, or like the woven shorts. And so I went ahead and got the Michigan Wolverines. As you can see, it does say Go Blue right here, and that yellow. I mean, I feel like it's a nice contrast. The blue and yellow always goes good together. The retail price on this joint was $70. Now, I did get it on sale, and I believe it was like $55 or something like that. So they have Michigan, they have Florida, they have like a lot of different colleges. So I definitely wanted to try it out. Got the Michigan joint. We got the snap buttons all the way through. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yep, we got the snaps all the way through to the bottom. At the bottom, we do have a drawstring, so you can tighten up the bottom if you like. We got pockets on the sides, here, and on the back, it does say Michigan Athletic Department. You feel me? So this is just like a really classic look right here, man. I just hope the fit is good. You know, I'm going to give you that on body so we can, you know, go ahead and try it on, see what it looks like. And, you know, see if I recommend it, man, because as of right now, it's a lightweight jacket, so I know I can get some burn with this during the summertime and during the spring when it's not too cold, but you do want that extra layer. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get to the on-body portion of the video. All right, and I do have the jacket on right here. I mean, this joker right here is looking good. We got that blue, which matches the Nike woven shorts, and then we have the Michigan Athletic Department on the back. Gives it that pop of color that you need, you feel me? So it's not just all really monotone. Went ahead and threw the white t-shirt underneath, because, you know, if you're going blue on blue, you do want to have something that breaks it up just a little bit. I did also throw on the white Air Force Ones with the gum bottom. We got the white stance socks on as well. And just a quick look at the hat. We do have the Michigan Championship hat. This is like a throwback snapback, but definitely a big fan of that hat. Now we're gonna go ahead and tie up the bottoms, the drawstrings right here, just so you can get another look at it. But the fit is perfect. I got a medium. I wear a size medium in all of my Nike t-shirts, so that kind of can give you an idea on what size you can go with. But yeah, definitely a big fan. Sometimes you have to put your own set together, but this looks like a set that you could just buy at the store, like a little two-piece matching set, man. But definitely a big fan of the jacket. I appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'm out.